So, our third cat, Snowball, is not lazy. He's just being lazy, and so is he. I'm sorry. Yes, I saw him. Hey, Snowball. Hey, Snowball. He's like, it smells so good. See, if I hold my hand out to Glitch, he'll sniff it, right? See? He licked it. He tried to lick my finger. He's a good boy. Snowball's a good boy. Snowball loves me. I know. Glitch is a super nice cat. He's so sweet. Aren't you a sweet cat? Aren't you a sweet cat? Yay, you're going viral, I hope. I hope. Who's a crap? Bruh. Anyway, so I'm gonna give shout outs to Mike Hunt, Brian Lefebvre, and Soul Crusher, because they give so much support to me. And yeah, about that comment, so comment if you're the one who did that. Hey, there's something on Snowball's tail. He'll get it off. Yeah, he knows how to get things off, don't you? Anyway, so he's a good kitten. Snowball likes you guys. Snowball loves you. Comment if you love cats. And comment if you love Snowball, because he loves you guys. Every one of my cats loves you guys. He's literally giving you guys a sign that he loves you. Look at his blue eyes. He has super blue eyes. Dorothy, please watch. These are our only 3 cats now. And we have 3 cats and a dog, and they get along like they're siblings. And we don't know who the dad of Snowball is, so. And the mom's Diva. And Snowball is so cute. He's so white. First I thought he was gonna be a Berman, but I don't know what I would have called him if he was a Berman. Yeah, maybe Simey. Maybe Simey. Yeah. Does that sound good for a name for a Berman, Glitch? Yeah, I think it does. Do the cats even have food? Let me check. Oh my god, there's a leaf. There's a leaf in there. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Not to you guys watching, but to my cats. I love them. And there's Brittany. I can hardly hear anymore. What got on Brittany's head? I think the cats are hungry. I think the cats are hungry.
Yeah, but they don't really.
Yeah, and also I think they need some water. They need water. Make sure to get them water regularly when it's empty. Refill it if you feel like you need it. Refill it. This cat can't talk. I mean, Brittany's right there, but she's thinking about if she wants to get up. I wonder if I want to get up. I know, I'm sorry, girl. Yeah, she can hardly hear anymore. Don't worry, my dad's to the rescue. Yeah, my cat loves me. So, I have this new app on my phone. It's like a good... For all 3 of you cats laying down. Anyway, I'm sorry, I don't mind. Yeah, they hardly even leave anymore. It used to be a rare occurrence for for people to see Diva. But now it's just a common occurrence. Which, balanced out. Which, he acts like a dog. See, when I put my finger out, he'll sometimes sniff me, and then he'll lick. One time he climbed up on top of my back. Yeah, you remember that. You remember that day, don't you, Glitch? Yeah, the day you climbed up on top of my back. I was wearing a jacket and then that hard. He loves me, but I don't know about that. He's such a good kitty. Sorry, you Snowball. You, Snow, all of you guys are good kitties. Bye. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.